In this video, I'm going to reveal several different ways to find different affiliate programs to work with. Now, all too often we fall into the trap of just working with Amazon or finding products over on ClickBank, but there's a whole world of opportunity out there, and in this video, I'm going to help you find it. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Now, I've said this multiple times before, there are literally thousands of different affiliate programs that are able, willing, and ready to work with you, but most people just go over to ClickBank and they try and find the low-hanging fruit. In this video, we're going to take a look at a few different ways that I find affiliate programs that are under the radar and they want to work with you. Now, the first thing that you can do is you can actually work with different affiliate networks. Now, an affiliate network is a marketplace. It's that middleman between affiliate programs and affiliate marketers. The cool thing with affiliate networks is they're a one-stop shop where you can go to find different programs to work with. They're going to give you your affiliate links, and they're also going to handle different payouts. Now, this one, flexoffers.com, doesn't get talked about nearly enough, but they have a ton of different programs to work with. As you can see, there's over 12,000 advertisers, 75,000 publishers, and the cool thing with FlexOffers is there are a lot of top brands, Fortune 500 companies that you can work with. So I'm just going to log in here real quick and I'll give you an example of some of the different opportunities you could work with. All right, so now that we're in the back office of FlexOffers, you can see right in the front page, they work with New Balance, they work with QuickBooks. These are all different companies that you could partner with and make a substantial amount of money. MyProtein, if we just scroll through here, these are all big name companies that you could partner with. Macy's here, Drone Nerds, MyProtein, again, restaurant.com. So if you're stuck, you're trying to find a different affiliate program, one that's off the beaten path, Ally Invest could be a great one to partner with. And this is on FlexOffers, and you can apply to these really easy. You just click on apply now, answer a few questions, and then away you go. Now, the cool thing is there are multiple affiliate networks out here like this. We have ShareASale, which again has over 21,000 merchants, over 241,000 publishers, and you can find just about everything you need. At one point, if I log in here real quick, at one point you could partner with the NFL teams individually. So you could partner with, let's say, the Minnesota Vikings, or you can partner with different collegiate athletics. And again, these are all big brands. Look at this, Minnesota Vikings official team store. If you wanted to partner with them, if you wanted to start in the sports niche and the football niche, you could do Tennessee Titans, Buffalo Bills, but there are tons of these companies out here that you could partner with and potentially make money. If we look at different products, there's just so many different opportunities. And one of my favorite ones is actually with Impact Radius. Now with Impact Radius, there's Teachable, there's Canva, there's just so many different opportunities, but this is one of the best ways. You can see they work with Lenovo, HSBC, Adidas, 1-800-Flowers, Walmart. There's just so many other opportunities out there than just your standard Amazon. The next way that you can find affiliate programs is you can come up and just type in your niche and then affiliate programs afterwards. And the cool thing is there are websites out there that have put together 12, 15, 20 different affiliate programs for your niche. Also, if you scroll down far enough, you're going to see that companies like Weight Watchers are going to pop up. And I'll talk about that in just a moment, but you can see that these companies, Authority Hacker, for example, put together the 12 best weight loss affiliate programs. You spend a couple minutes looking through here, and if you do this for 3 or 4 different websites, you're going to find everything that you need. But this is a simple way to actually find different affiliate programs. Now, another way that I like to do, and it's real simple, real easy, just type the name of the company that you want to work with. For example, if I wanted to work with DJI, which does that has different drones and different camera accessories, we could type in DJI affiliate program, just like this, hit enter, and you're going to see that maybe they have an affiliate program, maybe they don't. But this is actually a really simple, really easy way to find different affiliate programs. And you can do this for literally any product. For example, I'm talking to you with a Blue Yeti microphone. I could type in Blue, we could do Blue microphone affiliate program. And you can see that oftentimes that working directly with these companies, they might pay you better than just using something like Amazon. Look at this, Blue Yeti microphone, 5% cash. If we look at Flexoffers, the website I showed you a little bit earlier, you can see that they might actually have something for you as well. 30-day cookie window. You can apply to Flexoffers. It's 100% free, and you can go from there. Another thing that you can do is you can go up to Amazon. So we're going to go to Amazon.com, and I'm going to type in best microphones, best microphone. best microphone for YouTube. We'll use that example. And what we're going to do is we can scroll through here and potentially find different ideas. For example, Logitech. Come back over to Logitech affiliate program, and then we can apply directly to Logitech. And if we look here, they do have an affiliate program of some sort. They pay between 4 and 10% commission, which is actually going to be better than Amazon. And then average order value, $125 and a 30-day cookie window. So at the very least, the cookie window is better than Amazon, which is only a 24-hour cookie window. So if you're doing like best microphones for YouTubers or podcasts, look through here and see if there are different brands that you can apply to directly. We can also look at, we can also type in microphone brands. We can type in like music company, music brands, but if we do microphone brands, we can get a list of microphone brands and potentially search like this. We can also do something like music affiliate programs. Now, what I'm looking for is Sweetwater. I think it's called Sweetwater or Sweatwater, one of the two. But once again, you can see that there are tons of these different opportunities out here, and they're all, for the most part, going to be better than Amazon. So you can use Amazon to help you find something better. We can also look at these Rode microphones. So we can type in something like Rode affiliate program and look and see if they've got something. Does Rode microphones offer affiliate programs? It does not look like they do, but that's okay. That lets us know that we can cross them off our list, and the best place to go might be through Amazon or might be through these other companies that we found. But there are tons of different ways to find affiliate programs, and you don't just have to rely on Digistore24 or ClickBank or Amazon or even Best Buy or Target or Microsoft. You might find a better opportunity. XLR, we're going to look at that in a second, but you might be able to find better opportunities through individual companies and individual brands. So if I just type in XLR affiliate program, I'm not even sure if XLR is the name of the company, but you can see that this potentially is an opportunity as well. If we go back over to Flex Offers, I just want to type in something real quick. If we go, if we do advertisers like this, and then we can type in music, for example, music like this, hit search, and you're going to see that there are tons of these opportunities. Come on. Let's just do music with ease. It looks like my computer's frozen here, but you can see that there are tons of different opportunities to potentially make money. I wonder why that didn't work, but let's just type in music one more time here. Click search. All right, so I'm going to type in the keyword music one more time here and click search. And then as you can see, there are tons of different affiliate programs. It looks like you could potentially partner with Sirius and XM Radio. If we scroll through, you can see there are tons of different companies, Ticketmaster, that are going to be able, willing, and ready to partner with you. Roku, something that you might not be considering, Shutterstock, and you can potentially make money. Now that you know how to find different affiliate programs, click the first link in the description for a free training that will show you how to earn a full-time income with affiliate marketing without using paid ads, a large following on social media, or a large mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.